Sa acceptance speech ni Bombo Herman Basbanio para sa Best Radio Network Awards sa Pro Patria Journalism Awards, ginpasalamatan sini ang mga nahimo ni Dr. Rogelio M. Florete. Sunod kay Bombo Herman, sa tunga sa mga nahimo sang Bombo Radio Philippines, amo ang visionary leadership ni Dr. Rogelio M. Florete, ang chairman sang Florete Group of Companies, ang diversified conglomerate nga may business interests sa media, pagi sa Bombo Radio Philippines, banking, bulk water supply, property development, pawn shop and jewelry, aquaculture and agriculture, kag iban pa.
At the heart of this journey is the visionary leadership of Dr. Rogelio M. Florete, the chairman of the Florete Group of Companies, a diversified conglomerate with business interest in media, through Bombo Radio, of course, banking, bulk water supply, property development, pawn shop and jewelry, aquaculture, agriculture, and many others. Dr. Florete did some sort of tribute, as I said, because he was the man who really made this small network from the provinces into what it is right now. Dr. Florete has long been recognized as a pillar of Philippine broadcasting, a true captain of industry in media, as recognized by the Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry, as well as a Lifetime Achievement Awardee of the Kapisanan ng mga Broadcaster ng Pilipinas, whose contributions have shaped the landscape of radio journalism in the country.
Labaw pa sa sining pagkilala ang pinakadako nga legasiya ni Dr. Florete, amo ang kultura nga natukod sining sa Bombo Radio, nga amo ang kultura sang disiplina, integridad, pag-ulikid, kag serbisyo.
The recognition, Dr. Rogelio Florete's greatest legacy is the culture that built within Bombo Radio, a culture of discipline, integrity, compassion, and service. He believed that radio must reach beyond headlines and ratings. It must reach people, it must help communities, it must give voice to the unheard and clarity in moments of uncertainty. Bombo Radio has also a lot of flagship projects like Bombo Medico, Tugong Bombo, Bombo Music Festival, and lately we have sent substantial help to the people of Jensan and Mindanao.
Sa idalom sang liderato ni Dr. Rogelio M. Florete, nagsangkad ang Bombo Radio Philippines. Ang Bombo Radio Philippines Network ang labaw pa sa mga broadcasters lamang bagod sila nangin partners sang komunidad, nangin tag-responde kung may kalamidad, kag nangin palagyan sang public accountability pagi sa prinsipyo nga fast, first, and right.
Under his leadership, Bombo Radio expanded across the country while remaining grounded in local realities. Our network became more than broadcasters. We became partners of communities, first responders during disasters, and platforms of public accountability under the principle of fast, first, and right. Through every challenge, the media, Dr. Florete's guidance keep Bombo Radio at what it is right now, focusing on credibility and service.
Sunod pa kay Bombo Herman Basbanio, ang award ng Radio Network of the Year Award, wala lamang ginapanag-iyahan sa network, kundi isa man kapag kilala sa dedikasyon sa amon chairman nga si Dr. Rogelio Florete, our captain in the industry.
This award, the Radio Network, the radio station, Radio Network, the Year Award, therefore belongs not only to our network but also a recognition of the dedication of our chairman, Dr. Rogelio Florete, our captain in the industry. He is, by the way, 86 years old right now. That's why I think it's an opportunity for him to be given this tribute at a big and very important gathering like this. We also thank the Rotary Club of Manila, the first and oldest Rotary Club in Asia, for upholding the values of ethical journalism and nation building. As we accept this award, we renew our commitment to the ideals embodied by Pro Patria Journalism Awards, which are courage, integrity, patriotism, and service to the Filipino people.
Ang kabahin sang nangin mensahe man ni Bombo Herman Basbanio, kadungan sang paghatag o kung pagbaton sang Bombo Radio Philippines sang mga prestihyoso nga award bilang Radio Network of the Year.